Never run this command on Linux. Sudo rm-rf/**. One mistake, and your entire system could be gone. Let's break it down. Sudo equals run as administrator. Rm equals remove files. -r equals delete folders recursively. -f equals force deletion without asking. Now look at this. /*. It means everything starting from the root directory. That includes /etc, /bin, /usr, /home, and many other critical system files. As the command runs, Linux starts deleting essential files. Your applications stop working. Your system becomes unstable. And eventually, it may become completely unusable. So remember, never copy and paste commands you don't understand. Always read them first, especially when they include sudo and rm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hanin Dia Tech Tutorial for more Linux tips.